Graph 16y squared minus 4x squared is equal to 64. To graph, we first want 1 on the right side of the equation, so we'll divide both sides of the equation by 64. When we do that, we get y squared divided by 4 minus x squared divided by 16 is equal to 1. This is the equation of a hyperbola. A squared is 16, and so A is equal to 4, and B squared is 4, and so B is equal to 2. Since the y squared term has a positive coefficient, the intercepts are at 0, -2, and at 0, 2. We then find the vertices of the fundamental rectangle. So the vertices of our fundamental rectangle are at -a, -b, so -4, -2, -ab, so -4, 2, at a, -b, so 4, -2, and at AB, so 4, 2. To graph, we'll first label our coordinate grid. We'll let each dotted line represent 1 unit, so the minimum on each axis will be -6, and the maximum on each axis will be 6. We'll plot our intercepts at 0, -2, so moving down 2 units from the origin, and a 0, 2, so moving up 2 units from the origin. We'll then plot our fundamental rectangle. So the vertices are at -4, -2. From the origin, we move left 4 and down 2. -4, 2. 4, -2. And 4, 2. We'll use dashed lines to connect the vertices and draw our fundamental rectangle. We'll then draw our asymptotes, which are the extended diagonals of the fundamental rectangle. The equations of these asymptotes are y equals plus or minus b over ax. So in this case, y equals 1/2 x and y equals -1/2 x. To graph our hyperbola, we draw a smooth curve approaching the asymptotes and passing through our intercepts.